Question 30. You look what is the lowest number that 2, 8 and 4 go into. So the lowest number that 2, 4 and 8 go into is 8. And what you do then is multiply every term by 8. So what I have to do now is put brackets around the top line. So when there's more than one term on the bracket, I put a bracket around there. So it becomes 8 times x plus 11 plus 8 times x minus 5 equals 13 over 4 times 8. So what I have to do now is cancel down. So 8 divided by 8 is 1. So we get 1 lot of x plus 11 plus 8 divided by 2 is 4. So I get 4 lots of x minus 5 is equal 8 divided by 4 is 2. So I get 13 times 2 on this side. What I'm going to do now is multiply out the bracket, collect the terms together and solve it. So let's multiply out the brackets. 1 times x is 1x. 1 times 11 is 11. 4 times x is 4x. Plus times a minus is a minus. And 4 5s are 20. And that's equal to 13 times 2 is 26. So 1x add 4x is 5x. Right, what I'm going to do now is get all my numbers over the other side. And because when they go over the other side, they change to the opposite. So plus 11 goes over and becomes take away 11. And then minus 20 goes over and becomes plus 20. So we end up with 5x is equal to 26 take away 11 is 15. 15 add 20 is 35. So if 5x's make 35, 1x becomes 35 divided by 5, which is 7. So x equals 7. Question 31. A machine is used to pack boxes of peaches. There should be exactly 8 peaches in each box. To check the machine, 10 boxes of peaches are selected on the hour for 5 consecutive hours. Each hour, the number of boxes containing exactly 8 peaches is recorded. So in the first hour, right, 8 out of the 10 boxes had exactly 8 peaches. By 2 a.m., the next 10 boxes out of 10 had exactly 8 peaches. In the third hour, there were 7 out of the 10 boxes with exactly 8 peaches. And at 4 a.m. there were 7 out of the 10 boxes with exactly 8 peaches. And at 5 a.m. there were exactly 9 out of the 10 boxes with exactly 8 peaches. The company prints a label for each box contains at least 8 peaches. Explain why this label may not be suitable to use on the boxes of peaches. If you're looking at above, there were 2 boxes out of 10 that don't have exactly 8. There were 3 here, 3 here, and there are 1 there. So what we don't know is these 9 boxes, okay, we don't know how many peaches they got. They could have less than 8 or there could be more than 8. Okay, so we know there are 9 boxes, all right, that don't have 8 peaches in, exactly 8 peaches in, and we don't know how many they contain. So they might have less than 8 peaches. Right, part B. It is decided to record and plot the relative frequencies for the information shown in the previous table. Complete the table below. Relative frequency must be recorded to 2 decimal places. So what they're saying now, in the first hour, out of 10 boxes, there were 8 boxes with exactly peaches. So the relative frequency would be 8 divided by 10. This one, the relative frequency, would be 18 divided by 20. So 18 divided by 10 would be 1.8, and if you divide it by another 2 becomes 0.90. The next one, 25 divided by 30. If you're thinking now, it's a calculator paper for what's left. So if you do 25 divided by 30, it's 0.83. The next one now would be after 40 boxes is 32 divided by 40. So 32 divided by 40 is 0.8 or 0.80 if we're going to do it 80 to 2 decimal places. And then out of 50 we got 41. So 41 divided by 50 will be 0.82. So it will be 0.82. So what we're looking at now, we plot in the time with a relative frequency. So our highest value is 0.90. So if I'm going up, I'm going to be going up in 0.2s. So 0.20 or 0.20, 0.40, 0.60, 0.80, 1.0. So every little square is 0.02. So I'm going to cross 1 AM up 0.80. Across 2 AM up 0.90. So that's 0.82, 0.84, 0.86, 0.8, 0.9. Across 3 AM up 0.83. Across 4 AM up 0.80. Across 5 AM up 0.82. Okay, a box of peaches is selected at random. What is the best estimate of the probability that the box contains exactly 8 peaches? The more times you do an experiment, the more accurate your results become. So the most accurate, the best estimate of the probability would be the last one, which is 0.82, because it's been done 50 boxes have been checked, and that's going to be more accurate than after 10 boxes.